Now, the new questions, 20 questions, are being drawn from a pool of 128 questions. And to pass, you need to get 12 of the 20 correct. Why is this a big deal? Well, the 100 questions, I would put money on the fact that the average American on a good day couldn't answer them. And now they're increasing the number of questions and they're making the questions more of a how and a why. For example, why is the Electoral College important? Name two ideas from the Declaration of Independence and the U.S. Constitution. Why did the U.S. enter the Persian Gulf War? Now, these are harder questions. The current test is more of a yes, no, or a date, or, you know, more straightforward. This is harder for people not born in the United States. Now, don't panic, but be prepared. What you want to do, USCIS has a lot of study guides for these new questions. You can go on there, but you got to practice. I looked at some of these. Why did the US enter the Persian Gulf War? I don't know. I'm a lawyer. I'm embarrassed. I don't know the answer to that. But this is how the questions are going. So there's something in terms of what they call the early stop threshold. They're going to ask you 20 questions. Now, the test ends early if you get 12 in a row correct. And the test also ends early if you get 9 incorrect. Okay. Now, what if you're older? What if you're 65? If you're 65 and you've been a green card holder for 20 years, the government's going to give you the old test. They're going to give you the 10-question test, and you need 6 to get for it to be passable. This is as clear as mud. So the takeaway on this test, if you do not file for citizenship before October 20th, you will be tested on 20 questions from a possible 128. These questions are more difficult. Focus on why and how, like why is the Electoral College important? The answer to that one is because we don't vote by popular vote in the United States, and the Electoral College equalizes the size of states. And if you're 65 or older and you've been a green card holder for 20 years or more, you will get the benefit of the easier test. What's the messaging here? You want to be a citizen? We're going to make sure you know about America, even though our citizens that are born here don't have a clue.